been a minute since I posted a video and I have been eager to get back to it. I had some good feedback off my shoulder roll tutorial video, and so I thought I'd teach a fun variation to that, which is a forward shoulder roll. And I'll demonstrate that right now. If you haven't mastered your back shoulder roll yet, go check out my other video, which will hopefully magically appear somewhere around here after I edit this video. And master that first, because I would say that's actually tip 1 and step 1 to getting your forward shoulder roll. So there it is. So first things first, I start on my stomach. And tip number 1 is choose which shoulder you're going to go over. So for me, I'm gonna go over my right shoulder because that's where I'm most comfortable. And I'm gonna turn my head to the opposite direction. So it's gonna lay on the floor to the side. My left hand is planted on the ground. Tip number 2, when I'm pressing up, I keep my legs nice and straight. So my head is tilted to the left, my left arm is bent, and my right arm is actually flat on the floor behind me. So I use this hand and then this right hand on the floor to press up into a position like this. So just try that a few times. That kind of takes some strength. You're lifting your core up. And if you see, my backhand is really pressed in against the floor here. Angle 2. Tip number 3, when I get to the top, my hand that's straight does a little roll like this, and that for some reason makes this shoulder more accessible to roll over, okay? So if you watch closely, I push up to this position and then I'm in my plow pose like in yoga, okay? So just to go over everything, if I'm rolling over my right shoulder, my left hand bends into the floor. I look to my left. I push up. This hand is flat on the floor. Push up. This hand rolls, and then I'm able to come to my back. And you should just be able to hold this position. From here, I slowly lower myself down, lower my legs down, do whatever fun little dancey thing you want to do. And then if you want to get up like this, you can press the palms of your hands into the floor, lift your head up, press up for a fun little lift. Let's just see a little freestyle applied. You can do applied in choreography. Once you learn your back roll, you can like do both of them. You can be like with nice straight legs and then just be like, whoop, reverse. See if I can do my other side. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments below. I really want to post more of these, but I need your guys' suggestions. What do you want to learn? Let me know so that I can get to it. I have access to this dance studio now, so I will easily be able to record tutorials for you.